We're going to Big Bear. We're going to Big Bear. Shar, say hi.
Hi.
I'm living out of this backpack for the next 4 days. So, bye. Okay, we made it to Big Bear. Alright, we're gonna be going inside the water. Go, Shar.
No. I'll film you.
Go. Okay, the water's really warm. It was fun. Go, Shar. Okay, dinner. We have pico de gallo. Shar's pico de gallo.
Just cebollas.
Yeah, just cebollas.
Cebolla.
Chips and tzatziki. Some chicken and naan. Look at Shar go.
We're going paddleboarding and yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go paddleboarding and I'm gonna push Shar in.
What the heck?
Anyways, we're gonna make the viral, what is it called? Like the
Chickpea
Alex Earl
blondies.
chickpea blondies.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to try. Okay, we're gonna go. We can't bring you guys with because it's too dangerous, but
Yeah. We'll videotape morning.
we made it. Struggle, we had to have Anthony pull us back. And I fell in at the very last second. It was good, we're in the hot tub now. Okay, we're gonna go in and make our, what are they called? Alex Earl blondies. Shar's creation.
It's a chickpea
Blondie. Oh.
It like looks really ugly, but like it tastes like so
It tastes,
good.
looks like it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Cheers. It's good. I like it.
Right? So good.
10 and 10.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not ready yet.
Not, but look, they're making crepes in there. I don't know if you can see.
That's the old one.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Really good.
Really good.
Look, he like 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? It's different.
I think we still have
Okay, we're gonna pop up this jumbo dog.
on the car.
Chimichurri, salad. You make causa?
Sí, señorita.
Okay, good morning everyone. I lost my voice from tubing. She ran into a spider
My
web.
hair. Adios, guys. Here's Lauren.
Adios. We'll see you on the boat.
Hey guys, so Lauren is about to go surfing. Lauren, say hi! Hi! Yeah! Way back!
They're going boogie boarding. We're gonna go in the hot tub for a little, chill, probably eat more food because that's all we do here. So. Okay, the moms made poke bowls for us. I feel like we're in Hawaii already. Okay, lunch. Shar, what? Let me see. Wow. Literally cannot get better. Jack, say hi.
Welcome to the vlog. We're at Big Bear, California. Say hi, Lauren.
Poke bowl. What's up, everyone? We are back. It is currently 8:26. Oh, that's very blinding. But we got back from doing some water stuff. We did like boogie boarding and stuff. And then now we just finished dinner and we're gonna make s'mores. Wow.
Off the bat.
Heck no. If you don't eat your s'mores with peanut butter, you're doing it wrong. Okay, what's the best combo?
Okay, this is protein peanut butter.
Okay.
Marshmallow and graham cracker.
Shut up, Ian.
Wow, look at
Wow, that looks
this. So bomb.
Char is hydrofoiling right now. Oh my gosh! That was so cool! What's up, everyone? We are in Big Bear, California.
Splash Lord.
We are surfing, wake surfing. Char already went hydrofoiling, and I'm gonna go next, but it's freezing! The moms are making this Peruvian potato bowl. Thing is, Char has joined. What have you been doing, Char?
Rolling them in flour and cornstarch.
Good job. There's always something good in this kitchen. Always. Look, always, always.
Here, and then you put
Wow.
a top.
And then you roll in the flour. Okay, this is the final product.